अपने माता पिता का व अपने विद्यालय का नाम भी रोशन किया है। साथ ही ये बच्चे हमारे विद्यालय के अन्य बच्चों के लिए प्रेरणा स्रोत बने हैं। रवि सैनी दिल्ली पुलिस में, अनुराधा चानी स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में, शालिनी स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में, श्याम स्टेनो के पद पर, राजवीर सिंह एमटीएस में, इंदु इंश्योरेंस डिपार्टमेंट में, मोहित डीएच बीवीएन में, उज्जवल पोस्ट ऑफिस में और दीपांशु बिस्ट पोस्ट ऑफिस में पद प्राप्त कर चुके हैं और रवीना जेआरएफ की परीक्षा उत्तीर्ण कर पीएचडी मैथ्स में दाखिला लेने में सफल रही है। तो मैं आप सभी से एक बार फिर से अनुरोध करना चाहूँगी कि एक बार फिर से इन होनहार बच्चों के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। धन्यवाद। Now it's time to honor achievers. Everyone is star and deserve the right to twinkle. Prize distribution is a memorable, proud, special and most awaited event for every institution as well as for every student. It gives a sense of happiness and a sense of responsibility for fulfilling new commitment with dedication. All the prize winners are source of motivation for every student. It's the time to appreciate the talent of our shining stars. To felicitate the prize, I would request to Principal Sir, our Chief Guest, General Dr. D.P. Vats ji and Shri Nihal Singh Saini ji, please come on the stage. Now it's time to honor achievers. So I would like to call those students who got government jobs. The alumni of our school are: first, I would like to call Ravi, son of Shri Balwan Saini, joined the post of Head Constable in Delhi Police. I request the parents to come on the stage with your child. Please give a big hand of applause. Second, Anuradha. Second, Anuradha, daughter of Shri Manoj Chani. Anuradha, daughter of Shri Manoj Chani, selected in State Bank of India. Please come on the stage. Shalini, daughter of Shri Dharamveer Saini, selected in State Bank of India. Please come on the stage. Sham, son of Shri Ramphal Singhal. Please give a big round of applause. Anuradha, daughter of Shri Manoj Chani, selected in State Bank of India. Sham, son of Shri Ramphal Singhal, joined the post of steno. Anuradha, daughter of Shri Manoj Chani. Next, Rajveer Singh, son of Shri Rajkumar, selected in MTS. Rajveer Singh. Indu, daughter of Shri Narendra Sharma, selected in Insurance Department. Mohit, son of Shri Santlal Saini, selected in DHBVN. Mohit. Ujjwal, son of Shri Santlal Saini, selected in Post Office. Dipanshu Beast, son of Shri Bhagwan Das, selected in Post Office. Ravina, daughter of Shri Rajesh, cleared JRF and got admission in PhD Maths. एक बार फिर से जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं इन सभी होनहार बच्चों के लिए। और कुछ बच्चे किसी कारणवश यहाँ पर आ नहीं पाए। Next is time to announce the 10th grade toppers and bright achievers who set an inspiring example for others to follow. Let's begin with our first topper, Sumit Sharma, star, who claimed the title of school topper with accelerating 96% marks in the board examination. Can you believe a student can get 100 marks in 2 subjects? I request the parents to come on the stage with your child. Next, Muskan Saini, daughter of Shri Krishna, got 95.8% marks. Yashika Punia, daughter of Shri Manoj Kumar, got 95.6%. Please come on the stage. Next, Rohit Grewal, son of Shri Ramesh Grewal, got 94.8%. Come on the stage. बेटा उधर से इधर से आ जाओ। Next, Aarti Jangda, daughter of Shri Jagdish, got 94.6%. Ishana Sharma, daughter of Shri Shatbir Sharma, got 94.6%. Soni, daughter of Shri Bhupender Kumar, got 94.6%. Soni. अरे इनको बोलो ना फटाफट आएंगे रो बना के उधर खड़ी ना कितनी लड़कियां। Next, Lokesh Saini, son of Sri Sanjay, got 94.2%. Kavita Goswami, daughter of Shri Anup Singh, got 93.8%. Next, Khushi Grewal, daughter of Shri Baljit, got 93.4%. Next, Tamanna Balhara, daughter of Shri Dharmendra, got 92.6%. Next, Diksha, daughter of Shri Kuldeep, got 92.4%. Paris Roha, daughter of Shri Surendra, got 91.4%. Please come on the stage. Yogesh, son of Shri Mukesh, got 91.4%. Sumit, son of Shri Hare Krishna, got 91.2%. Yogender Singhal, son of Shri Rajesh, got 91.2%. He is absent. He is present. Next. Neha Saini, daughter of Shri Satyavan, got 90.4%. Paras Saini, son of Shri Deepak, got 90.2%. Rohit, son of Shri Sunil Kumar, got 90.2%. Yashika Sharma, daughter of Shri Yogesh Sharma, got 90%. Tanya Goswami, daughter of Shri Anil Goswami, got 89.6%. Mayank Sharma, son of Shri Manoj Sharma, got 89.2%. Tanya Goswami parents, please come on the stage. उसके बाद मयंक परी योगी, daughter of Shri Manoj Yogi, got 89.2%. Pari Yogi. Kiran Jaglan, daughter of Shri Krishna Jaglan, got 89.2%. Jyoti Jaglan, daughter of Shri Rajendra Jaglan, got 87.8%. आ जाएगी। Shahil Bhakar, son of Shri Ajit Singh, got 87.8%. Chetna, daughter of Shri Rajendra Singh, got 87.6%. Dev Verma, son of Shri Ashok Verma, got 86.6%. Chetna. Dev Verma, please come on the stage. Next, Nikita Singhal got 86.2%. Nikita Singhal, daughter of Shri Sunil. Shakshi, daughter of Shri Ranbir, got 86.2%. Himanshu Grewal, son of Shri Satpal, got 85.6%. तुम भी तो जाओ साथ में, इस साइड आ जाओ। Harsh Rani, son of Shri Sandeep Garg, got 85.4%. Himanshu, son of Shri Satpal, got 85.6%. Next, Harsh Rani, daughter of Shri Sandeep Garg, got 85.4%. Shubham, son of Shri Santosh, got 85.2%. Next, Jyoti Saini, daughter of Shri Rajendra Saini, got 85%. Neeraj Saini, Son of Shri Jagat Saini, got 83%. Next, Neeraj. Nidhi Sharma, daughter of Sushil Sharma, got 82%. Ankita Sharma, daughter of Shri Anand Kaushik, got 81.2%. Khushi, daughter of Shri Ajad, got 81.2%. Rehan Grewal, son of Shri Naresh Kumar, got 80.6%. Once again, please give a big round of applause for all intelligent students and our shining stars.
Every year brings with it new challenges, new opportunities, and new milestones. Our students have not only excelled in examinations but also brought laurels in sports at state and district level. Now it's time to acknowledge the achievement of our brilliant students in sports. Our student Prachi Sharma, daughter of Sri Sushil Sharma from class 9th, and Isha, daughter of Sri Krishan from class 10th, demonstrated their brilliance in handball, securing first and second place at state level. So now I request Prachi Sharma, daughter of Sri Sushil Sharma, to come on stage. She also secured first position at district level. Isha, daughter of Sri Krishan from 10th A, secured second position in handball at state level and first position at district level. Isha, please come on stage. Please give a big round of applause for Isha. Ayan Punia, son of Shri Manjeet from 6A, secured second position in handball at state level. Ayan Punia, please come on stage. Very well done, Ayan. Mohit, son of Shri Naresh from 8th A, secured second position in handball at state level. Mohit, please come on stage. Mohit, son of Shri Naresh, he secured second position in handball. Now I am announcing the name of students who secured position at district level. Purvi, daughter of Shri Yogesh from 8th B, secured first position in handball at district level. Purvi, please come on stage. Very well done, Purvi. Sushma, daughter of Sri Sandeep from 7th B, secured first position in handball. Congratulations, Sushma. Anu, daughter of Sri Somveer from 7th B, secured first position in handball. Congratulations, Anu. Anu, daughter of Sri Somveer, she secured first position in handball. Geeta, daughter of Sri Krishan from 10th B, she secured first position in handball at district level. Congratulations, Geeta. Prachi, daughter of Sri Sushil from 9th A, secured first position in handball. At district level. Well done, Prachi. Isha, daughter of Sri Krishan from 10th A, secured first position in handball at district level. Isha, please come on stage. Very well done, Isha. Again, please give a big round of applause for all of our winners. Every year, we organize several competitions in our school with education. For this, we divide our school in 4 groups. All students participate in different competitions with full enthusiasm. To acknowledge and honor the students for their outstanding performance, I would like to announce the name of the winner group. Award for Best House goes to Rajguru House. First, I would like to call House in Charge, Mrs. Monica, to come on stage. I also like to call Captain Ashima and Vice Captain Somveer. Please come on stage, Ashima and Somveer. Please give them a big round of applause. We cannot ignore your hard work, dedication, and perseverance. So, full attendance award goes to Mrs. Ranju ma'am. Please come on stage. And Mrs. Monica, please come on stage. Mrs. Ranju ma'am and Mrs. Monica, please. Full attendance award goes to Mrs. Ranju ma'am and Mrs. Monica. I also like to call Ranju ma'am, mother and sister. Please come on stage. अच्छा अभी दिलवा देना है ठीक है स्पीच बाद में चीफ गेस्ट चलो हो गया बाद में
Now I request our principal sir and our chief guest general Dr. D.P. Vats ji, please present a memento to Shri Nihal Singh Saini ji. We are humbled by your presence and honored to have you join us on this remarkable occasion. Welcome and let this be a day to remember.